rhymes with pink.
Zinc, the element that's...
Would you rather be invincible or able to fly?
The ability to fly would be more enjoyable, in my opinion.
I can barely keep my eyes open.
This is fun. Whee!
Woohoo!
Much better.
Time to grab Ted. I mean, my blanket.
That's better.
What's your favorite kind of music?
I do enjoy.
I'm not in the mood right now. What do you like about your house? Why do you like the color? Do you ever wonder if butterflies dream? It never occurred to me. Maybe I just have a special connection to butterflies.
Huh?
Back here yet? If you could add one thing to the park, what would it be? Some lawn sprinklers would
Can
certainly
you help
benefit
me
the
fix
grass.
something?
I don't know why those bugs
I
are
can
in
fix
there.
us a snack while you fix something.
Hey! We should grow a real...
What's your favorite?
I'll lie down for just a minute.
Oh, this bud is thirsty work. This is my favorite spot. I don't like to pick favorites. Rub-a-dub-dub. Quickly to the hot
I'll lie. 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 Sunbathing on a day like today calls for SPF 50.
What do you like most about your house? I really like the colors.
Apa masak?
I'm ready for a spa moment.
Smoke kan? Oh, ada lain tu. Ni kenapa jatuh ke? Kena pijak ke apa ni? Pasal kata jatuh. Kalau macam ni kita dalam proses untuk pembaharan tak buat. Tak model masalah MacBook crack macam ni.
Do you want to learn and have fun with me too? Download Talking Slimy and let's play and learn together.
The park's closing soon.
Time to go, folks.
You think I could learn to make my own perfume?
I think anything's possible, especially for you.
The slide is the main event.
What's your favorite thing to throw on the barbecue?
Let's go play with the critters.